The English we speak, a recipe for disaster. A recipe for disaster is a situation or combination of factors that is likely to lead to failure, chaos, or catastrophe. It's a perfect storm of poor planning, bad decisions, and unfortunate circumstances. For example, trying to cook a complicated meal for 20 people with only 30 minutes' notice is a recipe for disaster. Similarly, investing all your savings in a get-rich-quick scheme is a recipe for disaster. Ignoring safety protocols on a construction site is also a recipe for disaster. And finally, trying to drive home after a night of heavy drinking is a recipe for disaster, with potentially devastating consequences. Example sentences to listen to and practice. 1. Trying to fix a leaky pipe without turning off the water supply is a recipe for disaster. 2. Starting a business without a solid business plan is a recipe for disaster. 3. Leaving your valuables unattended in a public place is a recipe for disaster. 4. Ignoring warning signs of a serious medical condition is a recipe for disaster. 5. Planning a road trip with a car that's due for maintenance is a recipe for disaster.